In this video, I will show you the parts of the microscope. When you place the microscope on the table, make sure that it is at least 4 inches away from the edge of the table. You should unwrap the cord completely before plugging it in. The cord should be away from the sink. Then you plug it in. At the base of the microscope is the power switch. Turn it on, and this wheel is called the rheostat. It should be in the number 5 position. This controls the intensity of light. This is the light source. Directly above the light source is the iris diaphragm. This controls the amount of light that passes through your specimen. There are markings for 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. These correspond to the objective lenses. You should change the position of the iris diaphragm for each objective. Above the iris diaphragm is the condenser lens. The condenser lens should be slightly below the stage level or in level with the stage for the 4x, 40x and 10x lenses. And for the 100x or the high power oil immersion lens, the condenser lens should be in level with the stage. This is the stage. This is where you place your slide. There are clips to hold the slide in position. And by moving these two knobs, you can change the position of the slide. The larger knob at the top, you can move this to move the slide up and down. And the small knob, you can move the slide side to side. By moving these two knobs, you can get your specimen to the center. Above the stage, these are the objective lenses. In this microscope, there are 4 objective lenses. Lowest power is the 4x. Then there is 10x. And this is the 40x. It's the dry high power. And then you have the 100x. This is the oil immersion lens. This is the nose piece. The objectives are attached to the nose piece. When you move between objectives, always move from the nose piece. Do not hold the objectives when you move the objectives around. If you keep doing that, the objectives can become loosened and fall off. This is the arm of the microscope, and these are the focusing knobs. The large knob is the coarse focus. The small knob is the fine focus. Turning these focusing knobs, you can move the stage up and down. Usually when you store away the microscope, the stage should be at its lowest position, and when you start focusing, you should move it to the highest position. You usually focus down and away from the objective lenses. Above the objective lenses is the optical head, and the eyepieces or the ocular lenses are attached to the optical head. You can move the eyepieces around side to side to get the most comfortable position.